今天看齐，墙上写着秦香莲的32岁了，转个当朝，驸马郎的齐君王啊，满皇上的回2岁了，转个当朝。今天看齐，墙上写着秦香莲的32岁了，转个当朝，驸马郎的齐君王啊，满皇上的回2岁了，转个当朝。
And you fucking trust it anyway. Woof. Ah, man. Then the resident tells me, man, just fucking the fuck that shit. Just trust the process. Oof. Trust the process. We're going. This place is so swampy, man. Should we still fucking trust this process, man? Or just give up and get back to the same route? Oof. And she says, man, we can't go up this place. It's too rocky, man. Oof. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Push, push, push. Then today, you just have to get generous and help your bike out. Because you just remember that your bike was the expensive one during the 80s. But now, the other mountain bikers with very expensive bikes. But mine is still expensive because it's old and old is gold. Yo. Man. Get down, baby. Ooh. We have to get on. Get on. Yeah. New roads, obviously. Oh man. It's crazy. Crazy. Yeah, then residents just say, turn right. Turn right. Turn right. Ooh, yeah. There's light at the end of the tunnel. So interesting. Oh man. So the Google Maps were right, man. That's Mount Kenya. So we can trace back home. So interesting. 2岁了，转个当朝，驸马郎的齐君王啊，满皇上的回2岁了，转个当朝。今天看齐，墙上写着秦香莲的32岁了，转个当朝，驸马郎的齐君王啊，满皇上的回2岁了，转个当朝。Ooh. Ka. We're gonna shift this. Ka. Let's go. Whoa, yeah. So enjoyable though. I'm not sure what I'm fucking now, man. But let's go. Let's trust the process. Let's trust the maps. Let's trust them, man. We gotta move. We're gonna move regardless, yeah. Still moving on. Off-roading. Yo. Holes and bottles. Hey. Oh man. Ooh. Get on the move. Whoa. A loud and applause for Google Maps. And cordially assisted by residents. But I still don't know where I am, but at least I can see the tarmac. And if I see the tarmac, I can know where I am. Where am I at? Holy crap. Same place again? This is crazy. Same place. Same entrance. A different entrance. Clean. Ooh. Oh, we just had some swimming. Damn it. I hope you're enjoying the show, guys. Ooh, so enjoyable. Ooh. Yeah. Let's get home now. Yeah. Ooh. Some nigga just doing some marijuana on the road. Ooh. Bath. Ooh, no, man. Damaging my lungs. Yeah. But some time back, it was so soothing to the lungs. But now, hell no. Let's go. Do some climbing, nigga. Baby, let's go. Do some climbing. Yo, let's do it. Let's do it. Hungry, hungry. Hungry, hungry. Hungry, hungry. Hungry, hungry. If you're hungry and you know, cry a bit. Yeah! Whoa. Amazing roots. Roots. Climbing and climbing and climbing and climbing. Yeah. Whew. Let's do some climbing. Let's do some climbing. Yeah, we're almost there. Should we kaka this? So that we go faster. You like kaka ka. 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 Done. And today the dog belongs. Stop talking to you, nigga. You didn't give me any food before you left.